Hello everyone, today here with me, tiny epic dungeon with a couple of expansions. We are going to see together the unboxing of all these three pieces. Enjoy! Tiny epic dungeon here and stories, plus the boss wood pieces. They are two must-have expansions for this tiny epic game. Look at here, they are awesome. Let's start to look at the back of the box. The list of content, always very rich. This series is wonderful. It's incredible how many things they can add in one box so small. There are cards, miniatures, wood pieces, dice also. Let's open the core box. Inside a manual. A lot of pages, quite well done and complete, with a useful legenda on the last page, a bunch of wood pieces, then miniature, 2 bags of miniature, and here a lot of cards. And yeah, the content of these two boxes a little bit mixed up, because as I said, these expansions are like a must-have for this game. I'll open the other box right away. This is a sort of joint unboxing. Here another manual and objective cards. Yes, because this expansion provides objective cards. And here the characters mat, because the game call it mats. The two boxes together provide 16 unique characters. Then the torch mat, the one that allows to keep count of the turn, the game turn. And finally, the bosses cards, the bosses rooms. Here the Gorgon, then the Mind Lashers, all pretty cool. Let's move to the cards. These are the spells. There are many. Invisibility, nice. Equipment cards that you can find during exploring the dungeon. This is a shield, great axe, a war horn, many of them. And then the goblins. There are several types, stabby, boomy, shooty, so on so far. And then the minions, which are the tough monster, serpent, troll, ogre. And finally, the dungeon cards. They represent the rooms of the dungeon that you cross during the exploration. Every room reports the type of encounter, which may be goblins, traps, or other stuff. They are all colorful. Every room has different exit. They are nice. Now, let's have a close look to the box, which is quite robust, can be used to toss the dice. And look, also the miniature, my favorite part. What we have here, a dwarf, a bard, a barbarian, and a wizard. In the other bag, another dwarf, male this time, a kind of cowboy, and a rogue. There is another plastic bag with all the wood pieces. This one are minions, the monster. This one are token to track some status and the energy of the characters and the life point of the characters. This is the torch, the one that will dim every single round. Other tokens. And the last one, wood pieces for the goblins and for the boss. That's all for today. If you liked the video, click that button, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Ciao!